Good morning, everyone. So, one more bad day yesterday. There is no respite for market. In fact, yesterday also Asian markets were good. US market was better. Still, we were down back of heavy FII selling. Obviously, few local factors. So, let's see. आज का start करते हैं हम लोग pre-market analysis. So, if you see, Asian European markets were up yesterday. Asian markets are also flattish to positive, but Gift Nifty is down by 100 points. Now, yesterday there were few bad numbers जिसका reaction market में देखने मिला. Plus there was heavy FII selling to the tune of 7,000 crores. Obviously numbers were not that great. कल जो numbers declare हुए. So कल हमने देखा बजाज ऑटो एंड हेवेल्स नंबर्स का रिएक्शन. बजाज ऑटो वाज डाउन बाय मोर देन 13% on back of some commentary by management that in festival season demand is not that great, and because of that सारे whole auto sector was down by 2.5%. Havells numbers के बाद margin decline के बाद was down by 6 to 7%. Today would be interesting day because हम काफी सारे numbers का reaction देखेंगे आज. जैसे Infosys ने कल number declare किए. We'll see reaction to that. Tata Chemical bad numbers. एक्सिस बैंक इनलाइन नंबर्स थे. टाटा कम्युनिकेशन नंबर्स को रिएक्ट करेगा. पॉलीकैब के नंबर्स डिक्लेयर हुए जहां पे मार्जिन डिक्लाइन था. सो वी हैव टू सी पॉलीकैब कितना डाउन मूव देता है. ऑब्वियसली बैड नंबर्स बाय सीएट. सो कहीं पे ग्रेट नंबर नहीं देखने मिले हैं. इन्फोसिस नंबर्स वर इनलाइन, इनफैक्ट बेटर, और कंपनी ने गाइडेंस भी रेज किया है टू 3.75 to 4% की रेंज में. ADR was down. So Infi ADR कल US markets में was down by 1%, and we were up yesterday 2%. So there is 3% gap. So there is possibility Infi negatively react करे, but we have to see how it opens. Tata Chemical profit was down by 46% and margin was down to 15.5% versus 20.5%, which is another bad number. एक बैड न्यूज में फॉर एमजीएल एंड आईजीएल, cash allocation to them is reduced by 20% by GAIL. So they are seeing the profitability would be impacted by this. This might affect them. In this month, we have seen one of the highest FII selling to the tune of 75,000 crore. Now, see, till now domestics are buyer against FI. So FI is selling, domestic are net buyers in last whole month. But now we are feeling the pressure, and थोड़े टाइम में हम लोग चार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे निफ्टी का. this we are posed at very important level. अगर ये लेवल ब्रीच होता है, so there is more downside to be seen. Trend is clearly negative for now. Zomato to consider QIP on 22nd October. And Mazgaon is going to announce stock split in 22nd October meeting. So these were the news for the meeting. So before I move to Nifty view, please आप link में मैंने एक link दिया है description में. I am planning a webinar on Saturday where you can learn how to trade using open interest. So मैं जो data कैसे read करता हूँ वो हम लोग discuss करेंगे. So आप लिंक फिल अप कर दीजिए, सो यू गेट अ इनवाइट. आज के अगर हम लोग रिजल्ट देखें, देयर आर फ्यू इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट्स लाइक एलटीएफ, जियो फिनांस, टाटा कंज्यूमर, ओबेरॉय रियल्टी के भी नंबर्स है. ओबेरॉय रियल्टी वाज आल्सो डाउन यस्टरडे 4%. हिंदुस्तान जिंक, आईसीआईसीआई लोम्बार्ड, जिंदाल सो, मास्टेक. नाउ टुमारो we have a number of HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank. These two big banks के नंबर कल डिक्लेयर होंगे. अब जैसे कल मैंने निफ्टी के व्यू में डिस्कस किया था, इफ वी ब्रेक 24,900 लेवल, we opened up and then slided below this level. So this would be a sell signal and we can achieve a target of 24,805 or 24,702. So we close somewhere around here 24,750. So this view went right. Now आज का अगर व्यू देखें हम लोग, so we are totally view is bearish and we are bottom of 30-day low. So it's a sell on rise market now. So any recovery if you see till 24,860 or 24,880 would be a good sell opportunity with stop loss of 24,950. And if we breach 24,720 level or 24,700 level, we are going to slide down and target our 24,640 and 24,536. Now नीचे important level if I discuss, so at 24,600 we have 20 SMA weekly. तो वीकली 20-day मूविंग एवरेज यहाँ पे है, एक सपोर्ट है, एंड लोअर बॉलिंजर बैंड ऑन डेली चार्ट एट 24,500 अराउंड 24,500. So obviously any break below 24,700 will open up lower levels. And one more interesting pattern आपने ट्विटर पे भी देखा होगा that many people are talking about the bearish cup and handle pattern on Nifty. So yes, if you observe Nifty daily chart, we have a cup and handle pattern and break is below 24,700. So if market sustains below 24,700 for 1 or 2 days, this would be clearly a sell signal on bigger time frame. Target यहाँ से would be very deep, maybe 1,000 point or 800 points. But yes, we have to observe how market behaves here, whether we take support and again bounce back or we sustain below this level. The next 1 or 2 days would be crucial. This is third straight week where market is falling. And if we look at Bank Nifty chart, so Bank Nifty may, if we break 25,140 level, we might see slide till 25,900 level. We have minor support here, and below this level, next target is 50,682. So yes, all indication and everything is bearish, but we never know. We might see some recovery and then fall, or after sharp cut, some sharp recovery can also come. But we have to take level to level. If one level breach, obviously we have to honor that. उसके नीचे हमें short ही करना है. And अगर हम OI की बात करें, निफ्टी में there was heavy call writing, and if you see highest call side OI is 25,000, so that would be a major resistance. Then we have heavy writing at 24,800 also. Put side it's spread, so max OI is at 24, and at ATM 24,800 also we have a decent. But this is heavily heavy on call side. So call side पे ही higher writing हो रहा है, which obviously indicate bearish. निफ्टी का टोटल ओपन इंटरेस्ट देखे, सेम नंबर हमें मिल रहा है दैट 25,000 पे हाईएस्ट ओआई है. That will be definitely act as a support for this resistance for this week. And downside we have next major support at 24,500. Bank Nifty same thing, heavy call writing, aggressive call writing to the tune of 1.8 crore, and put side सिर्फ 60 lakhs का writing, and we could see some unwinding in the puts. तो जो puts writers trap हुए थे उनका कल unwinding देखने मिला है, which everything indicate a bearish view. So my breakout scanner is showing Tech Mahindra, State Bank, but when entire market is bearish, it's better to either stay quiet or focus on the short trade ideas. Now let us discuss what happened, and is there some interesting chart. So yesterday's highest fall was in Bajaj Auto, fell by 13%. Now here, if you look at, whenever you see such candles, now this stock is definitely is a clear sell. because there is huge gap created plus big candle with huge volume. Now, any recovery in this would be a a sell opportunity. Levels, another breakdown. Opera Realty today we have numbers, and before number this stock has weakened a lot. So idea would be any recovery here could be a sell opportunity. So if you get stock around 1960 level or 1950 level, that would be a good sell entry. PEL, another weak stock. Bail also breaking down its major support level. Tata Communication, reaction to the numbers. And positive side, we must be having only IT stocks. Emphasis is just some points away from its breakout level. L&T, obviously this is some recovery after a big fall, so this is not a long stock. So except IT, everything looks, so we have only IT stocks in top now. Today we have to see Infi reaction would be the decider for what's happening in the market. With this I end my session. uh, so guys, register karna mat bhuliega. There's event coming up on Saturday, how to read OI data. Thank you so